Let's take a look at the gist for the entire article. The gist for this article is that 4 women were given an award for all their work in the NASA space program. So let's keep this gist in mind as we move into our questions. Before I let you go and answer the questions on your own, let's quickly look at the questions you will be answering. The first question you'll be answering is, what is the article mainly about? Is it A, about when 4 women received an important medal from Congress? B, why 4 women were honored for their work in the space program? C, how a woman helped the first person land on the moon? Or D, what book about 4 women was turned into a movie? The next question you will be answering is, what is the section the women did important work for NASA mainly about? Is it A, what things the 4 women did for NASA? B, how the 4 women got jobs at NASA? C, when the 4 women received a medal? Or D, why the 4 women wanted to be engineers? Then you'll answer this question. What happened because of Katherine Johnson? Is it A, women were treated fairly at NASA? B, astronauts returned safely from space? C, the way spacecrafts were made changed? Or D, many people learned to program computers? And the last question you will be answering is, why did Mary Jackson go to an all-white school? Was it A, to make sure that students were treated fairly? B, to try to rise to a position at NASA? C, to learn to map out flight paths for astronauts? Or D, to take classes so she could be an engineer? Once you have answered all your questions, please go to the last section in your Google form so we can review the answers to these questions. Good luck!